Does your home insurance cover yard and garden damage? Spring is here, and if you're like many Florida homeowners, you're probably out in the yard planting flowers, trimming trees, and getting ready for the warmer months. But as you invest time and money into your landscaping, have you ever thought about what happens if a storm, fire, or even an accident damages your yard? Will your home insurance cover it? Well, let's break that down and see what's covered, what's not, and how you can protect your outdoor space. What your policy covers. Most homeowners insurance policies provide some protection for your yard, but it's limited. Here's what's typically covered. Fire, lightning, explosions, vandalism, storm damage like hurricanes and wind. If a lightning strike damages a tree or windstorm uproots part of your landscaping, your policy may help pay for removal and replacement. However, coverage is often capped at a percentage of your home's insured value, usually around 5% of your dwelling amount, with a limit per tree or shrub. So if you have an expensive palm tree or high-end landscaping, you may not get full reimbursement for its replacement. What's not covered? Now here's where homeowners often get caught off guard. What's not covered? Your insurance will not cover flood damage, which requires a separate flood insurance policy. Damage from pests such as termites or invasive species. Poor maintenance, like a dying lawn due to lack of watering. Tree damage caused by disease or rot. And what if your neighbor's tree falls on your yard? Unless they were negligent, meaning they ignored a rotting tree, it's usually your insurance that's going to pay for the damage, not theirs. That surprises a lot of people. What about your outdoor structures? If you've put time and money into your yard, you likely have many things like fences, sheds, and gazebos. The good news is these structures are typically covered under your homeowner's policy. However, the coverage limit for detached structures is usually around 10% of your dwelling coverage. That means if a hurricane knocks down your fence or damages your shed, you may not receive the full replacement cost unless you have additional coverage. How to protect your yard this spring? Well, if you love working on your yard in the spring, you want to make sure it's protected. Here are a few steps you can take. First, check your coverage limits. Call your trusted insurance advisor to see exactly how much protection you have for landscaping and outdoor structures. Second, consider additional coverage. If you have invested a lot in your yard, a policy endorsement or rider may help cover the higher value landscaping that isn't fully protected under a standard insurance policy. Third, secure your trees and outdoor features. Use stakes for young trees, trim overgrown branches regularly, and tie down patio furniture before storm season to minimize damage. And finally, if your home is in a flood-prone area, look into flood insurance policy. Standard homeowners policies won't cover landscaping damage caused by rising water. Your yard isn't just about curb appeal. It's an investment, but without the right coverage, you could be left paying out of pocket if a storm, accident, or unexpected damage occurs. At Vermost Insurance Agency, we can help make sure your home and your yard are fully protected. Give one of our trusted insurance advisors a call today at 727-748-2886 and let's review your coverage before storm season hits.